We are here at Matsuura's headquarters here in Colville, and it looks a little bit different.
It has. We've got an exclusive invitation here to see their brand new showroom. Now, if you want to come and see the latest in machine tool technology, you too can visit here as they have two open houses. They have one on the 14th and 15th of May and one on the 22nd and 23rd.
Showcasing all of their machine tools, including additive manufacturing.
Yeah, and in addition to that, they've obviously got their popular range of metal cutting machines, subtractive machines. We're talking everything from their vertical machining centres, their VX660, right the way through to their very, very popular MX330 automation solutions. Also horizontal machining centres, the MX520, one of their fastest selling 5-axis machines, MAM72s, all of which will be here on show at the event. And also, like you said, the 3D printing. HP, they're now a reseller for the HP printing product, and this is working so well for Matsuura in conjunction with their machine tool solutions.
I can't stress to you enough how incredible open houses are to come to. You'll learn a lot, you'll meet the right people and at the right place.
They'll have obviously all of their sales engineers and applications engineers on hand. You can bring your components here, talk to them about becoming more efficient, because that's what Matsuura's machines are about. Some of these machines are operating 99% efficiency. That means that spindle is always turning, to coin your phrase.
Okay, yeah. Make sure you put those dates in your diary.